I saw several videos on cleaning greasy engine parts and how to clean a dirty engine. So this is a front cover off of a 1979 Chrysler Cordoba with a Dodge 360, and it's probably got grunge on it from 1979. I also have two valve covers here from a 1965 Mustang 289, just a small V8. So these are the two tire foams I'm going to try. One is Meguiar's Hot Shine foam, and then Black Magic Tire Wet foam. With the foaming cleaners, I'm going to try Simple Green Concentrate, Super Clean, and Purple Power. Gunk Engine Cleaner and Degreaser, Foaming All-Purpose Citrus Cleaner, Spray 9. The last three is the SuperTech, which is the Walmart house brand. It's a foaming engine degreaser. This is a organic, I guess, style cleaner. It is 50-50 dish detergent and vinegar. That's all it is. So I think this is Ajax dish detergent with white cleaning vinegar, just a 1-to-1 ratio. And then we have the SuperTech brake parts cleaner. So what I'm going to do is the foam, and the interesting thing is I put tape on this, and of course it's so greasy that the tape doesn't stick. But I'll do the different tire foams and then the different sprays. So I have, and then we'll let it stand for 5 minutes, rinse it off, and see what we end up with. So I'll start off with the Meguiar's. This is the Black Magic Tire foam. See how this does. This is the SuperTech degreaser foam. Wow, that stuff goes everywhere. Okay. And then we'll try the citrus foam. On this valve cover, what we'll do here is the spray. So this is the Simple Green. This is the concentrate Simple Green. Will be the Purple Power. And we're going to try to avoid too much overspray. Like I said, the tape doesn't stay in place, and trying not to cross-contaminate. Trying not to cross-contaminate anyway. The next is a Super Clean. And the last will be the Gunk Engine Degreaser Multi-Surface Cleaner. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to let it 5 minutes, and then we'll rinse and see what we got. Okay, so this is the first valve cover. We went there 5 minutes, and I'm just going to gently rinse. And of course the tape doesn't want to stay, and the wind keeps trying to blow it off. This is the Meguiar. Just try to gently rinse here to see how we do. And then this is the Black Magic foam. This was the Walmart SuperTech foam. You can see that tape doesn't want to stay there. And then this was the orange citrus cleaner foam. What I'll do is pull the tape, see if we see even any tape lines. It's interesting as you can actually see some tape lines in there, so I mean it looks like it did maybe a little bit, but honestly it still is in bad shape as it was before. The only way you're going to do this is soap this up and scrub it down. So this is the second valve cover we did, and this is with the sprays, not the foam. So once again, just kind of try to rinse it gently and see what happens. And so this area here was the Simple Green. This one was the Purple Power. This spot here was the Super Clean. And this was the Gunk engine degreaser. And if we try to look at it, let's see if we got any kind of tape lines. Figures. You can actually see a little bit of difference there. You're actually getting some tape lines where no cleaner had hit the cover over here and where the Simple Green was. This doesn't particularly look like it's done anything. The area that had the Simple Green on it, that looks a little better. It's actually, the paint is actually bluer than the rest. So it does look like the Simple Green did a little bit better, but you don't really see any difference with any of the other cleaners. Okay, so after rinsing and pulling the tape off, you can actually see some tape line there between the Simple Green and the other cleaner, which I believe was the Purple Power. And you can see a tape mark here. So I don't know if that's the cleaner doing that or just the adhesive of the tape pulling some stuff off. But doesn't look like really much has been done. The area where the Simple Green was is a little cleaner. I mean, and you got to remember that this was just sprayed on and let to sit and then rinsed off after 5 minutes. But the area where the Simple Green was, the paint is actually even a little bluer. But overall, it's still a dirty valve cover. I mean, potentially I could say that Simple Green, of the 4 sprays that were tried here, Simple Green appears to have done the better job. For this little test, it looks like the Simple Green did the best.